For you. Thank you. We're having technical difficulties at first, but now it's coming out smooth. Thank you so much. The little baby Kawasaki's okay now. I mean, if it's not too much, can you, dog, my ears throbbing again. What in the world? Can you disconnect the battery? Or is that too much? They said I had to disconnect it for some reason.
I think the battery's under the seat.
Look, they're taking their recyclables. I gotta take mine too. Thank you again.